Hello inventors, this is Sairam, and in this video I am going to show how you can use the image component of MIT App Inventor. Now let's see how you can do this. So you can see my blog is not coming due to some problem because my laptop is broken. So if my laptop is broken, so I can't make videos, so that's why I am not making blogs. So you can see now my laptop is okay. And now I can make blogs. Now let's start how you can create an image tutorial in MIT App Inventor. So you can see you just need to sign in the ai2.appinventor.mit.edu, and I prefer you to use Microsoft Edge browser because this is very lightweight. If you use Chrome browser and if you have low RAM, so please do this. You can use the Microsoft Edge. Now let's see how you can create this. You just need to sign in this website ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. I will give the link in the description box. Now you just need to click on start new project and you just need to give your project name. So I am going to put image tutorial like this, and I am going to make image tutorial 1 2 3. And now let's click on this OK button, and you just need to wait some seconds and you can see our first screen here. Open the dashboard from here like clicking by this. Okay, now you can see that's our first front screen one. Okay, so we are going to download an image here. So click on new tab and you just need to type this address pixabay.com. I will give the link in the description box. So scroll down and I want a picture from here, like I want this picture. Click this picture and it's opening right now. Now let's see how you can do this. So you just need to simply go to the MIT App Inventor tab and you can see the layout option here, like okay, wait a second, scroll up and you can see the layout. Click on this layout and you can see the vertical arrangement. Drag and drop the vertical arrangement here and make this hide is full parent, okay, and width is also full parent, right? Now you just need to change the screen one title. Let me show you this one title you need to change. Click on the screen one and just scroll down and you can find the title option here like these, and you just need to change it to anything, like I'm going to make it image. Now one thing, let me zoom my screen to show you, like let me zoom. Yes, now 90 is the okay. Now just scroll down and okay, let me just make it something like 80% is fine. Now click on the user interface and you can see the button option here, like if you want to read this description, I will give the link in the description of this button. And if you not watch the button tutorial, so watch on my YouTube channel. Make it font bold, font and lift, and make this size at least 20 and click enter. And now you can change this background color to something. Let me use a custom color like this one, something like this, and just scroll down and change this text color to white and make this vertical arrangement in this center. Okay, and now let me change this vertical arrangement background default color to something this is perfect. Okay, now you just see the image option here. Just read this description from now and just go to the tab and you just need to download the picture. Okay, click on free download and you can download it in this version. Click download button and it asks you to as a register. So now let's click on download button. Okay, you just need to select I am not a robot and fireworks. Okay, now let's verify it. Click verify and just click on download button and now wait some seconds to download the Microsoft Edge. So that's open it here. Let me just go to MIT App Inventor. Now it's automatically downloaded in my download tab. Now you just need to click on the image option here, like drag and drop the image first. Okay, so now you can see the picture option here. Okay, wait a minute, it's already downloaded. Now let me just cut this. You can see the image option here. Click on this image, like I'm just drag and drop this images here, so I'm already dragged it. So now click on this images and you can see the picture option. Click and click upload file and click choose file, and now it's open your file explorer automatically. So if you're a Mac user, it's automatically opened, but if you're a Windows user, it's also opening automatically. I am also downloaded some pictures from the internet, but right now I'm just use that one picture. Which one picture I'm just recently downloaded, this one picture, and click open and click OK. Actually you just not change height and width, but if it's not fitted in your laptop, it means your mobile screen, please fitted it like make this 200 pixels. Let's just 200 pixels working or not. Yes, 200 pixels is fine. Now you can see the button here. Just click this button and scroll down. You just need to change this text to something like click me to see the magic, like this, and click enter. Okay, and now what can you do? Click this image option and you can see the visible option here like this. Click this visible and check this. Okay, now you just need to code for this. Click the blocks and now you will redirect to this section, like this one section, right? So now you can scroll down like these, up and down. Now you just need to click on button 1, and whenever you click this button, simply our image 1, okay, set image 1 picture visible. Okay, you can see the set image 1 visible true. Just drag and drop and just type true and click enter. So you can take this block from the logic here also. Okay, now click this button again and you can see the long click. Whenever someone long click our button, we just need to make our image visible false like these, and you just need to copy paste, like select this and Ctrl C and Ctrl V, like copy paste. Now from this, let me delete this. Fine. Now you can see our code is completed. So now let's test our app.